Our next dinosaur is one of the tallest and basically the mascot of the American Museum of Natural History. Well, I wouldn't call it a mascot. It's more like a... How do I put this correctly? Oh yeah. A special beast that we often meets when we're in the front of the building. Tonight we're gonna draw Barosaurus. Alright, first of all, you start off with the long neck. There we are. What would this dinosaur be like if it was on, Walking with Dinosaurs Live? My suggestion? That would be a real game changer. It'd be amazing to look at. To add to the dinosaur museums all around the planet. And beyond this planet. I love this guy. Never forget that. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Barosaurus. If you're watching this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and keep on the lookout for more amazing dinosaurs.